how to get more buyer requests on Fiverr is what I'm talking to you about today. How you can get more buyer requests on Fiverr. The more buyer requests you get on Fiverr, the more money you are going to make on Fiverr. Because the more buyer requests you make, the more you are going to respond to buyer requests, and the more you are going to get orders, and the more money you're going to get in your kitty. I want to tell you how you can get more buyer requests on Fiverr. Where are buyer requests on Fiverr? In the menu bar, go to More, click on More, and you will see buyer requests as an option where you will find buyer requests and you can send offers to them. A new seller on Fiverr will only get 10 buyer requests per day. Some of these 10 buyer requests may not show up for a new seller on Fiverr. The new seller may miss some of the buyer requests due to one reason or the other. So how can you get more buyer requests on Fiverr as a new seller? That is what I'm going to tell to you about today. Number one, on the step to get buyer requests on Fiverr is that you should, as a new seller, complete 60 days as a new seller. That means you must be on Fiverr for at least 60 calendar days. Number two is to receive and complete at least 10 orders. To receive and complete at least 10 orders. That's what I said in my former video that I made before this, that sometimes the work may be worth $20, but you may just do it for $10. Why? You are aiming at something and completing 10 buyer requests, 10 orders within all time. Just as it says, 10 orders will be completed by you for you to be able to get more buyer requests. Avoid receiving warning for terms of service violations. Avoid receiving warning for any kind of violation on Fiverr for the course of 30 days. You must not be penalized or warned over the course of 30 days before you change levels from new seller to seller one. At seller one, you're going to get a lot of buyer requests, more than even 100 per day, both the one related to your feed and one not related to your feed. So sometimes you may look at something that is not related to your niche on Fiverr, and that kind of work comes, you also take it and you do it. Then, apart from these, what do you have to do again to get more buyer requests on Fiverr is earn at least $400 from completed orders. You must earn at least $400 over a period of months. It can be over 2 months, over 3 months, over 4 months, over 6 months, over 1 year. You must earn at least $400. This $400 is excluding the 20% that goes to Fiverr. It is the $400 that comes directly to you. Number 5 way to get more buyer requests is try to stay online on Fiverr as much as you can. I've said this over and over again, and I cannot overestimate. Keep checking buyer requests, keep checking the buyer requests. So keep staying online on Fiverr. Then another thing is to keep refreshing the buyer request page to see new requests early. Those who see new buyer requests early, they get more sales than those who got the buyer request late. So be online and you keep refreshing. You have refreshed the buyer request in 30 minutes ago, in another 10 minutes refresh, another 10 minutes refresh, and keep checking the buyer request. As a new buyer request comes, try to be among the first 5 that respond, or the first 3 that respond to buyer request. If you are among the last 100, the last 10 in the 100 that respond buyer request, the individual may have taken a decision based on the first 10 or the first 20, and then you are just falling behind and you never see or read your buyer request. So make sure you are among the first 10 or the first 5 that submit or respond to buyer request. Then create 7 gigs on your Fiverr account. As I said, create 7 gigs related to a single niche, but in 7 different directions. The other thing you can do to get more buyer requests on Fiverr is to choose a different subcategory for each gig that you create. Don't forget to choose order as a subcategory in one of your gigs. So keep the same niche but different subcategories, so that when they start different subcategory, it still comes back to you in this subcategory, it still comes back to you in the different subcategories. You are still there. Then another thing you have to do to get more buyer requests is to focus on Fiverr gig SEO. When you accomplish the 9 steps above, you will automatically become a seller 1, a level 1 seller on Fiverr. As a level 1 seller, you have been tested and trusted by Fiverr, and now you can be given more and more opportunities to work on Fiverr. This is when you will get more than 30 buyer requests daily on Fiverr. At this stage, you have more opportunities to work by responding properly to buyer requests. And more opportunity to work on Fiverr means more money that you can make on Fiverr. This is the way to get more buyer requests on Fiverr. I'm going to talk to you some other time. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section below. If you have comments, drop in the comment section below. If you want you to like this video, share the link of this video, and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. And we'll talk to you some other time again. Bye for now.